CBDC is a central bank cryptocurrency that is issued in electronic form and is a blockchain-based technology. CBDC is a digital currency issued by the National Central Bank. It is a digitalization of general currency since it is legal currency. It can be used without conditions. CBDC is an asset that can be owned with confidence, like money. In general, the value of money does not change rapidly. Therefore, the value of CBDC linked currency is stable. It is different from virtual currency or cryptocurrency, where the price fluctuates significantly even for the shorter period of time. So CBDC is not as anonymous as currency. There is a record of how much CBDC you owned and where you loaded it. Initially, central banks in each country were passive about issuing CBDCs. The reason the U.S. has been passive with the CBDC so far is status of the dollars, the key currency. If China assists internationalization with the digital yuan, the hegemony of currency could pass over to China. However, the atmosphere has changed since 2019 when Facebook announced the cryptocurrency Libra. Unlike existing cryptocurrencies, Libra aimed to be a stable coin that exchanges with existing currencies at a certain rate. In this case, the monopoly of the issuance of money, which is the main authority of the central bank, is threatened. Central banks in each country strongly opposed Libra, and Facebook took a step back. China is the most active country for CBDC. The Central Bank of China officially announced the issuance of CBDC in 2019 and began pilot operations in cities such as Shenzhen and Suzhou from 2020. In December, an additional CBDC worth 3.3 billion won was distributed to be used for online shopping. In China, mobile payments have become commonplace, creating a virtually cashless society. China's digital currency experiment has an intention to go beyond the dollar hegemony. The social lockdowns and the repression sentiment for personal information exposure is low, and the government's active promotion is possible. Since the 2008 global financial crisis, China has persistently attempted to internationalize the renminbi in order to overthrow the dollar's key currency system. China's ambition to quickly strengthen its status lies behind the Chinese Central Bank's first attempt to introduce digital yuan in the world. Markets predict that the Chinese government will issue digital yuan before and after the Beijing Winter Olympics in February next year. China is expected to use digital yuan as a payment method from one-on-one economy. It is different to make the yuan a key currency in the existing paper money market. So we are trying to preoccupy the digital currency market where the number of users will increase. The intention is encourage the use of digital yuan in countries with high dependence on the Chinese economy, and then expand it to the whole world. The American counterattack has also begun. There is an intention not to just watch China's digital currency monopoly. The U.S. Central Bank is reviewing the digital dollar internationally. The U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said, "I think digital dollars can solve this problem, although many Americans currently do not have access to an easy payment system." The Federal Reserve Bank of Boston in the United States has collaborated with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology to develop virtual digital currency. In European countries, the Swedish Central Bank is the first to experiment with the digital currency, e-corona, and decide whether to introduce it next year. Sweden aimed to get rid of paper money by 2030. The European Central Bank is also accelerating the issuance of its own digital euro. The Bank of Korea is conducting a digital currency pilot test. It focuses on research rather than introducing CBDC. The Bank of Korea plans to build a virtual environment this year to test the way CBDC work and its stability in preparation for the future. Research is being promoted as a long-term task.